I'm about to say something that most people don't like to admit. Working collaboratively is hard, like really hard. Whether you're collaborating with a long-term business partner, your significant other, or someone new at work, you might find yourself asking these questions.
Am I not contributing enough?
Am I stepping on their toes?
Am I oversharing? Do they really want to see my homework? Or just the final project?
The list goes on. At Bublup, we are no different. So we created a feature that helps curb these fears. Drum roll! Advanced Member Management. What? It's a way to lock your content and ideas until they're ready for prime time. With Advanced Member Management, you can still have your own private space for your eyes only,
Or your work bestie.
without leaving the larger group folder. You can adjust who has access to the folder and what their editing permissions are versus having them inherit the entire folder setting. Sound effects! If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe button for all tips and tricks on productivity, creativity, and organization, and all things Bublup. Click it. Do it. You won't regret it. Let's talk about inviting to a group folder. If you already know this step, skip ahead forward to the next chapter. Find the invite button at the top of your folder. You can invite someone using their email address or username, or sending them an invitation link. In either method, you can adjust permission levels. Step 2. Member Management. As you collaborate on a project, subfolders will likely be created to organize each content by theme, prioritize tasks, or maybe someone simply wants their own private space to organize their thoughts and ideas, kind of like a scratch pad for their portion of the project. You may not need to add everyone into a folder, or you might want to give someone view access only. To change the membership and permissions of a subfolder that is pre-existing, I'm going to locate the subfolder, go to Invite, follow the prompts based on what your end goal for a folder membership is. To adjust the membership and permissions of a new subfolder, I'm going to create a new folder, toggle on Allow Different Members and Permission. Follow the prompts based on what your end goal for a folder membership is. And that's it! Now you have a completely customizable group workspace. Thank you for watching, and once again, if you're all about productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button. My name is Nikki Pham, and I'll see you next time. Bye!